If your main drive is running out of space or you simply want better control over where your games are installed, changing the download location on Steam is quick and easy. If you want to change the download location on Steam, you need to do the following. Open Steam, click on the Steam label in the top left corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Storage on the left side. Here you will see your current download settings. At the top where you see Local Drive, click on it and you will find the Add Drive option. Here you can select another drive and Steam will automatically create a Steam folder on that drive. If you want to choose a custom location either on the current drive or another one, select the Let me choose another location option. This way you can specify any folder and from then on your downloaded games will be stored there. Once you've set your preferred location, all future downloads will go there automatically, helping you manage your storage more efficiently.